let's start with chapter 12 first. So in chapter 12, we are dealing with some functions that it is called aggregate functions. So aggregate functions such as sum, minimum, maximum, average, and count, they are functions that they provide a summary for a table. For example, in the table of products, right? So for example, when we say select mean sales price or buy price, mean buy price from products is going to give us the minimum price. So that's one value. So this is the output of this statement, and it just provides one value. Now, the same thing for the max as well. So you can get the minimum, maximum, and ABG stands for the average. So ABG gives the average price of the buy price of the products. You may have where clause as well. For example, where product name, like for example S. That means the products that they start with letter S, right? So here we don't have any product. So let's say this is 1A. Now here, for example, the products that they start with letter A, their average price is $53.88. Now count returns the number of rows, right? So if you say count asterisk, for example, you can have a name of the column as well. But here, basically, you're counting how many products their names start with letter A. So this is the meaning of this. So this is called aggregate functions. So these functions, they provide a summary for the table. So that's the whole thing that this chapter talks about.